How to grow a tree in Minecraft Sky Factory 4. To grow a tree in a skyblock Minecraft mod, you will need to get as fast as possible a sapling. You can get that by breaking leaves in Sky Factory 4. You will also need to be extra careful as it is possible to break a leaf and fall. So start with breaking blocks from the outside of the tree. Check it out how. Now if I break one more leaf, I will fall. Let's start breaking the log. Break the log until you get to the dirt. When you get to the dirt, press the E key on keyboard, and on crafting zone put all your oak logs. Convert them into wood planks. Now press on the shift key and place the wood planks to increase your platform. You will need to have a platform as big as you can. After you do your first platform, try to break all the leaves that are left on the tree. Now plant a new tree in the dirt by selecting the dirt sapling and right-clicking the dirt with the mouse. To grow a tree faster, you will need to run near the tree. Try to run in the circle so you will not fall. If you run correctly, you will see some green sparks that fly to the tree. In a short period of time, the tree will grow. Do this until you have a big platform for you to grow trees and craft things. This way you can grow a tree in Minecraft Sky Factory 4.